Have you ever stepped into a true rainforest where the wall of green is so dense that even sunlight struggles to break through? Here are some unforgettable moments from our adventure in Namdapha National Park. Namdapha National Park, located in Arunachal Pradesh, is a remarkable biodiversity hotspot. Namdapha's lower elevations are dominated by tropical evergreen forests. Walking through this forest felt like stepping into a world untouched by time. We marveled at a natural hot spring symbolizing the geothermal wonders hidden within the park. The camp on day one gives you the surreal feeling of sleeping in the heart of the forest. Namdapha is a sanctuary unlike any other. The undergrowth in many areas is dominated by various bamboo species, which play a crucial role in the ecosystem by providing habitat and food for numerous species. Midway through the trek, we paused at a tree house-like structure erected by the Forest Department. Firm Base, our second campsite, was located in a Forest Department compound, underscoring their tireless efforts in conserving this treasure. A mother and son pair of elephants did the heavy lifting for the trek, helping carry the tenting equipment, luggage, and food for the group. The Forest Department hosted a flag hoisting ceremony on Republic Day. The forest officers, smartly dressed in uniform, recited the national anthem, and then the lead officer gave a speech on the role played by the Forest Department in conserving and protecting the country's forests.
अगर जंगल को बचाना हमारा काम है। जब अगर हम लोग इसको अपनी तरफ से अच्छा से निभाएगा तो तभी हम लोग का ये हरियाली में रहेगा और साथ में जितना जानवर का जो पॉपुलेशन भी उतनी बढ़ते रहेगा।
We now move through the vast grasslands section, which appears along riverbanks and floodplains in Namdapha. Seasonal floods deposit silt and prevent the establishment of large trees, allowing grasses and shrubs to dominate. One of the highlights of the trek was crossing the Namdapha River on a bamboo bridge, built with the ingenuity of local communities. Each bridge is a different experience, with large stones sparkling under the crystal clear waters. Our last campsite, set by the Namdapha River, was a picturesque spot that offered cool breezes and the soothing sound of flowing water. The cool sand was a welcome relief after the marshy forest. Over the course of 4 days, we had completed a 55-kilometer stretch. And as we left the park, the memories of its untamed beauty and awe-inspiring landscapes lingered. Namdapha had gifted us an experience of a lifetime, forever inspiring wonder and respect for nature's resilience.